What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of me, DYang. It is really windy out here. I guess I'll start off this video by saying what kind of setup do I use for drilling my holes. I got the legendary Milwaukee Drill, right? The 5.0 battery. I only carry one, that's all I need. I got the adapter right here, right, to hold the drill in case the auger falls out or something happens. I'm using the StrikeMaster Lazer Auger. I only got like maybe 2 hours max to fish, right? So we're gonna go ahead and do some searching and destroying, looking for some crappies, bluegills, and perch. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little demonstration on how I like this drill. I guess this is one way for me to start off this intro, because you guys been asking about the drill, how do I like it, and honestly this is like my 5th, 6th outing and I love it. Haven't switched the blade out yet, haven't choked on me. So the only downfall of this drill is that you guys see this thing right here. Yeah, I recommend not to use that handle. That handle sucks. It literally ate my surface right there, destroyed it. It wasn't like I was applying pressure or anything like that. It was just, I was just drilling and it got caught at the bottom, one little twitch, and that the tube just chewed off the surface. It's really sketchy out here too. It's about 50 degrees. It's 48 degrees right now. Pretty crazy. That's all I have to say. It's about 50 degrees. It's warming up. A lot of slush out here. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys on the ice and stick some fish, you guys. Search and destroy, 2 hours. Let's go. Oh yeah, hit that subscribe button. See ya. So here it goes. Woo! Thick ice, 8 inches. Awesome. Drill a couple more holes and yeah. Kind of glad the wind is picking up, so it's really warm out here. Let's try to get a good view of this. You guys can see how it works. Smooth, cut like butter, yo. Cut like butter. Butter. I love how smooth it cuts, man. Awesome. And I'm not even applying a lot of pressure either. I'm just holding on to the torque, you know. Cool. Alright, let's get some fishing done. Just look for these fish. Search and destroy, baby. Oh, we got a fish down there. It's 2 of them, 3 of them. Ooh. See what they are. Hopefully they're just not perch. Got him. Got him. It's a good fish. It's a good fish. Whoa, it's a good fish. Oh my gosh. Whoa, crappie. Let's go. It's a good fish, man. Good 9-incher. Keep. Let's caught this nice crappie. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to keep him. Catch and release, baby. Go, go, go. He'll go. There we go. Got him. It's a little guy. Yep, little crappie. Yeah, hopefully he goes back in. There we go, he's in. Yeah, on these warm days, you guys, it is very, very critical to use live bait, in my opinion, just from my experience. When it's nice and warm out like this, man, nothing beats live bait. Nothing like a juicy, waxy, or some minnows. It's game on, man. So we are fishing 26 feet of water, man. So any fish that I bring out here, I'll do my best to slow it down and just, you know, work them up. Oh, got him. Oh, I'm still fixing my line. Nice. Bluegill. Oh, the wind is just taking him away. Cool, man. Little guy. Oh my god, you're so meaty, dude. See, dude. Took your time. I know, you came in from the deep. That's what I mean, yo. They come in such a deep water, the eyes are popping out. There we go. So when you're out here fishing for panfish, you guys, I recommend the lightest line as possible. I'm not saying 1 pound test, but I think 2 pound test is reasonable. I'm using 2 pound test right now. Got him. Got you. It's a little guy. Oh, that's it. That is it. All that hard work for this. For this. Alright, you can have my waxy here. Eat it. Eat it. Well, just a quick little technique here. They didn't like the wacky rig, but they sure do like this nose rig type deal. I just stick it through the waxy here. Just halfway, you know, just when it has a little tail action. Just like that. Got him. Dang, super tiny. That's it. That's all you got, Mother Nature. A 10 pounder I was looking for all day, man. Look at that 10 incher right there. Biggin. Got him, finally. Feels like a good fish too. Ooh, pretty decent gill. Not even, but cool. Yeah, I need me an arm. That's it. Got some bluegills after. At least we got them. Release. Well, boys and girls, no closure, just a quick video on my drill. I was out here for fun, catching some panfish. Yeah, man, I had 2 hours to kill, so I came out and did what I can. I'm gonna head back. It's getting dark out, so thank you guys for watching. If you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.